Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to ventilate a fringe clip. So here I'm just trying to measure out the size of the fringe clip I'm going to be working with. So I usually go with 3x2. So I'm just trying to make a rough draft just to show you guys the exact measurements I work with whenever I want to ventilate a fringe clip. So after taking out my measurements, I had to go in and measure extra 1 inch. 1 inch for the base and 1 inch for the body. So this is the lace, and this is how it looks like after the measurements. I've already cut it according to the measurements. So I also went in with my pencil and drew the measurement on the lace again. This makes me to be more careful when working, and it shows me the line where to stop and where to fill in the hairs. So this is me just showing you the direction I'll be going. So I'll be going in a diagonal pattern, and that line is kind of the middle line, while the other one down is the base. So I started ventilating the base using the diagonal method. So in the video what I'm using is double knotting. So I'm using the double knotting technique while maintaining the space of one line, one hole, and I'm picking just 3 strands of hair. So I'm done with the base, guys. So now we're going to be ventilating the body, and we're still going to be going in a diagonal method. So this is me showing you how to start when ventilating the body. So you just go in the diagonal method pattern, you do just the normal way you ventilate. There's no other trick here, just the same diagonal method. And I don't ventilate on that line I draw as the middle line. I won't be ventilating there. So guys, I'm done with the other side. So this is me ventilating the other side. So guys, this is it. I'm almost done with this closure French clip. And guys, please, if you are still watching up to this very moment and you find this video helpful and interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be creating more interesting videos like this and I will be posting it here on this channel. You don't want to miss any video. Please guys, don't forget to like and also share this video right there, so you are also encouraging me to do more and show up and create new videos for you guys. So this is it guys, this is what the French clip looks like. Look at how beautiful this closure French clip is looking. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye, see you on the next video.